Do you want to know a magic formula for making money if you are a bottle manufacturer? Would you want to be amongst the 5% successful bottle manufacturers who sit back and grow their business rather than counting their daily rejections? Well, today I would be sharing that magic formula with you. Hi, my name is Rohit Agarwal and I am the owner of General PET Industries, your packaging partner. Over my 20 years of experience in manufacturing PET Preforms, we've helped over 50 blowers both in India and Nepal in maintaining the profitability by providing them the right price preforms. We've also educated them to reject preforms if they have these visual defects, even if they are manufactured by us. Although it is fairly simple, easy to detect, most blowers tend to ignore it because they think that the cost of these preforms is low. Well, now let's get to the magic formula. Number 1. Bubbles. Bubbles are formed in preform walls by entrapped air or gas formation. These bubbles show on the bottle once blown, and if most of the preforms that you are about to buy have a lot of bubbles, then it should be avoided. Number 2. Unmelts. These are resin pellets appearing in the preform body that are partially unmelted or totally unmelted. These type of preforms would create a lot of rejections while blowing and would also be visually unappealing. Number 3. Shortshots or cuts as it's normally called are incompletely filled preforms usually observed at the neck area. These type of preforms although can be blown, but once liquid is filled in it, there would be a leakage which could destroy the entire consignment of cartons. Number 4. Moisture marks. They are usually rings which appear on the body of the preform. If you observe these preforms in your consignment, the preform should be rejected since these preforms cannot be blown. These preforms will be heated unevenly, leading to bursts while blowing. Number 5. Black specks or contamination are random particles found on the preform body caused by degraded material or foreign material injected in the cavity. These should be avoided since these show in the blown bottle and would show poor appearance of the liquid packed in these bottles. Number 6. Abnormal yellow tint or discoloration throughout the entire preform is usually caused by degraded material or by using preforms made out of recycled PET, which are mostly non-food grade. These preforms should be avoided since blowing these would always lead to rejections, and further, since IV gets degraded, it releases AA content once liquid is packed into it, spoiling the taste of the content. If this video has helped you, observe the visual defects on preforms and will help you in saving money, I request you to please share this video with your fellow blowers and friends. Also, we would love to hear about what you would like to hear in our next video. Signing off. See you in my next video.